This is our lecture number 32. The topic is the simple tenses comparison, part 5th. Here in this part, we are discussing about the simple present tense, the simple past tense, and the simple future tense. We will see here the comparison among these three tenses with the help of the structures. We have taken the structure negative, means we have taken the three negative structures of these three tenses. So we will see what we have taken is that the negative interrogative structure of the simple present tense, the negative interrogative structure of the simple past tense, and the negative interrogative structure of the simple future tense. So now we will see in detail the structure of these three tenses. At first, we will see the structure of the simple present tense. The structure is do or does plus yes plus not plus mv plus o plus c plus question mark. The structure of the simple past tense is did plus yes plus not plus mv plus o plus c plus question mark. The structure of the simple future tense is shall, will plus yes plus not plus mv plus o plus c plus question mark. Here we have seen all the three structures. Now we will study these three structures in detail. When we study the structure of the simple present tense, we see that at the beginning of this structure there are the helping verbs, and they are do and does. Then there is the subject. Then there is not. We have taken there not because we want to prepare the negative questions. Then there is the mv. We have taken there the mv means main verb because in the negative interrogative sentences always the main verb occurs, and that's why we have taken the main verb there. Then object. Object means what? The object means direct or indirect object. Always we take the direct object or we take the indirect object, and that's why we have taken their object. Then complement. Complement means what? Complement means the group of words which always comes at the end of the sentence, and this group makes help to the particular sentence to get the proper meaning or to get the sense to the particular sentence. Plus question mark. We have taken here the question mark because we are going to make the negative questions. Now we will see in detail the structure of the simple past tense. Here at first we have taken did because always there should be any type of subjects, we will take always the helping verb did. So we have taken here did at first, then subject, then we have taken not because we are going to make the negative interrogative question, that's why we have taken here not, and then we have taken mv. Mv means main verb because always in the negative interrogative question there is always the main verb, and that's why we have taken here the main verb. Then we have taken the object. Why? Because always in any sentence or in any structure the object comes. Means objects are of two types, and they are, suppose they are direct object and indirect object, and that's why we have taken the object there. Then complement. Again, complement. Complement means what? Extra words, additional words which help the sentence, and that's why we have taken the complement. Then question mark. We have taken the question mark because we are going to make the negative interrogative structure, and that's why we have taken there the question mark. Now we are moving to the third structure, and that is of the simple future tense, and that structure is shall, will. At first we have taken shall and will because shall and will are the helping verbs which make always the structures of the future tenses, and that's why here we have taken shall and will. Then we have taken subject. Subject means yes, we have taken subject because every sentence has a subject, and that's why we have taken there the subject. Then not, because we are going again to make the negative structure, and that's why we have taken the not. Then mv, because in every negative question there is the main verb, and that's why we have taken the main verb there. Then object, the same, we have taken their object because in every question the object is direct or indirect, and that's why we have taken their object. Then complement, we have taken complement because always the complement occurs there, and that's why we have taken the complement. Complement means, I told you that complement is the extra words, the complement means the additional words. Then we have taken lastly the question mark. Now we have seen in detail the structures of these three tenses. Now we will see what is the difference among these tenses, or what is the difference among these structures or among these tenses. In the start, the helping verbs have occurred. What is the point here? At the beginning of these three tenses, the helping verbs have occurred. Means when we talk, when we speak, when we pronounce, or when we write these structures of these tenses, then these structures are begun or are started by the helping verbs always. Means at the beginning of these interrogative questions always come the helping verbs. That is the point. And so we have seen that in the beginning of the simple present tense there are two helping verbs, do and does. At the beginning of the simple past tense there is the verb that is did, and at the beginning of the simple present tense there are two helping verbs, shall and will. So it is very clear that in the start or at the beginning of the structures the helping verbs always come. The helping verbs have made the yes no type questions. The second point is that these helping verbs come at the beginning of these questions, and they make these questions as yes no type questions. They make these questions as the yes no type questions. Now what is yes no type questions? These questions are called the yes no type questions because they are answered in yes or no. It means that when we ask these questions or when we ask this question to a person before us, that person answers, or that person gives the answer in yes or no word. Means in yes or no sense, and that's why they are called the yes no type questions. These questions demand yes no answers. Just we discuss. Again, there is one point, and we are discussing that these questions demand always yes no responses. Yes no responses means what? Answers. Yes no answers means just we saw that when we ask this question to the person who is before us, that person answers in yes or no sentences, means in yes or no response. For example, we will see, do you play cricket? Do you play cricket? The answer is yes, I play cricket. The answer is yes, I play cricket. No, I do not play cricket. The answer is no, I do not play cricket. I don't play cricket. So these two answers are telling that these questions are this question is a yes no type question, because we have got two answers in the yes and no sense. The second sentence is, did you play cricket? Did you play cricket? Did you play cricket? So the answer is yes, I played cricket. Yes, I played cricket. No, I did not play cricket. No, I didn't play cricket. So here also we have got the answers in yes or no sense, and that's why this question is also called the yes or no question. The third question is, will you play cricket? Will you play cricket? Yes, I shall play cricket. I shall play cricket. No, I shall not play cricket. I shan't play cricket. So here also again I will tell you that the answers have occurred in the yes and no sense, and that's why this question is also called the yes no type questions. So now the next explanation is that the remaining part of the subject to the question mark means, what is the point? The point is that now the remaining elements from subject to the question mark, all the remaining elements or parts of the sentence or members of the sentence are same. It means that there is no difference because they are same. How? See, subject, not, main verb, object, complement, question mark. These are the elements, these are the parts, these are the members of the sentence, and they are really same. There is no difference. When we will speak sentences or when we will write sentences, we will take subject differently. We will take MV differently, object differently, complement differently. In this way we will do, but actually talking, the remaining parts of the members are same. Next is, when we will speak and write, the structures will be made as per the different structures given. But the structures are, what is the point? Though some part is same, but they are the different structures. And when we will speak and write in these three tenses, the sentences will be made with the help of these different structures. For example, we will see some examples and we will prove that. So the first example is, do I not help each other? Do I not help each other? This is the sentence. Second sentence, do we not help each other? The third example is, do they not help each other? Do you not help each other? In this way, the sentences occur in the simple present tense. And when the subjects are he, she, it, the sentence is there like this. Does he not help each other? Does he not help each other? Does she not help each other? Does it not help each other? In this way, these are the sentences, and always the answers will be in the yes or no sense. Now, when we see the examples or sentences of the simple past tense, then we will say like this. Did I not help each other? Did I not help each other? Did we not help each other? Did you not help each other? Did they not help each other? Did he not help each other? And did she not help each other? And last is, did it not help each other? So when we see all these sentences, then again we say that these sentences means these sentences are in the interrogative sense, and they will take answers in the yes or no sense. Now we are moving to the third structure, or we are moving to the third tense, that is the simple future tense, and the examples are, shall I not? Shall I not help each other? Shall we not help each other? In this way, the sentences will be there. And will she not help each other? Will he not help each other? Will it not help each other? Will they not help each other? In this way, the sentences will be there. In this way, we have finished today's lecture. Again, once again, I request to all my students as well as my friends and relatives that they should take care from this corona. Still, the government has increased the limit of the corona. So I hope that you will remain at home. You will not come outside. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.